Il-fenomenu ambjentali dinji tad-deżertifikazzjoni ilu jitqies bħala teddida mit-tisgħinijiet. Din kienet it-tema ewlenija ta' seminar brabta mal-Jum Dinji tal-Antropoloġija li tmexxa mill-professur Jan Teng fl-Università ta' Malta. Il-professur Teng attendiet is-Southwest University for Nationalities fiċ-Ċina fejn għamlet riċerka etnografika fit-Tibet.
I think we are all in the world who are facing modernity. And we are still in the process of modernity, and it brings us lots of challenge. And my research is about how the transition happened, and no transition is kind of smooth and very in an easy way. So how to face these challenges, and how can you kind of utilize your tradition to face the new challenges.
Il-professur Tang esprimiet l-importanza tal-antropoloġija biex wieħed ikun jista' jifhem it-tibdil fis-soċjetà.
In a vast region, you face the same problems, and you are also on the verge of the modernity. So we need to build up the resilience of our own community. It's based on the close community connections, and also based on the reutilize of our tradition. And so I think it's a mirror for Malta, so we can learn from each other.
Intqal li b'kollaborazzjoni mill-Università ta' Malta mad-Dipartiment tal-Kulturi u l-Lingwi tal-Lvant Nofsani u Asjatiċi saret riċerka antropoloġika f'diversi pajjiżi fosthom is-Sri Lanka, il-Korea t'isfel, l-Iżvezja, il-Libja, Ċipru, il-Greċja u l-Italja.